Okay, so hello, good day. So welcome back again in Python Programming Essentials lecture series. Much time that we can share you. Okay, so let us now test our understanding on the class attribute method and functions. So an example here is create a class representing a mobile phones. Okay, then your class should implement the following methods: init, turn on, turn off, then call a number. So expects an initialization expects a number to be passed an argument. This method stores the number in an instance variable. Self that number. Turn on. Okay. Should return the message. Mobile phone numbers turned on. Curly bracket are used to mark the place of the insert objects variable. Okay, so let's try to create a new Python here. Let's have this evaluation 1 na lang. Okay, so now we continue to the test your understanding on lesson 1. So we're going to create a class representing a mobile phone. So let's have class mobile. Okay, kasi it's a class mobile phone. Then we try to create the following definitions, methods, init, then solve, then expects a number to be passed. So we try to add an argument here, a number, then instance of the variable self number. So self that number equals to number. Then okay, we're done already with the initialization. Second method is define on only the method should return the message mobile phone is turned on. Return message. Mobile phone. Suppose turned on. Then includes a parenthesis. Yeah. Okay, turned on. Yes. Let's have this. I'm checking my algorithm. It's mobile phone is turned on. Is turned on. We utilize curly bracket now. So we'll use curly bracket here, number. We can simply code here self number. Okay, so let's have it this way lang muna. Then we also have turn up. So no parameters is being called, but rather we'll be asked to turn off our cell phone. should return the message mobile phone is turned off. Okay, turned off. Okay, then call number, call or in the number should return the message your customer. Okay, so we'll just save sock na lang. Then return print calling example phone number, calling phone, then sample and the expected output. Okay, so we just have it this way. Then so now we already have the following methods inside the class. Okay, let us try to check. We'll do this inside the curly bracket. Okay, so create two objects. Say let's call again Mary, John and Mary. So I'll have this new instance mobile. Then if you will notice, the mobile require us to have observe the proper indentation. Yeah, actually it does not provide us an intelligent sensing. Okay, so it refers to as a class mobile wherein it asks for a number. So that's what I'm looking for earlier. So the good thing about PyCharm is that when you're not being provided the intelligent sensing, so it means that you do encounter a short of error, being reminded, hey, there's a particular error in your output. So we try to ask the number. So say for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is our new instance. Create two objects. So let's have Mary. Then the mobile as well. Then we'll turn into. Okay, surname. It should be a string. Okay. Surname 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. Then what else? Yeah, that's a random number. Then implement a sequence of methods of calls and to turn them on, calling number, print method outcome, turn off both mobile phones. Okay, so that's simple. So first, let's turn on the cell phone of John. Turn on. Then we shall also call the turn on method for Mary. Okay, so allow John to call and allow Mary to call. Then turn up. So let's have John turn up, then Mary turned. Okay, so to review, we try to run. It's working already. You have the same output. Wait, so let's run because I've created evaluation Py. We're going to run evaluation Py. Okay, so there's the output already. Let's check. Okay, mobile phone is 091234 blah blah blah. Calling phone number mobile store na, mobile store na. Okay, so that's it. We arrive at the same result. We arrive at the same sequence. Only that we have utilized we actually called the variable here instead of utilizing the curly bracket. Okay, so continue. Okay, so keep on practicing. Rest if you must, but don't you quit. Okay, so thank you for checking in, and we shall call it a good day, and God bless. Don't forget to like, share, leave a positive comment, and subscribe. Thank you and good day.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a positive comment, like, share and subscribe.